So today we're going to be looking at some vintage Lego sets on eBay. And I'm going on my Nan's computer here. We're going to look. And let's look it up. eBay. Let's type it in. And here it is. Let's look up vintage Lego sets. I like anything vintage and anything old-fashioned, especially if it's Legos. Ooh, I'm gonna get these on my wish list. I'm gonna get these for Christmas or something. Get all 10 in one watch. Maybe not. I'm not sure if you. So it's added to my watch. And yeah, I put that on my watch list. Let's move on. Ooh, I'm gonna totally get all these minifigures. Look at all those. This is awesome. I'm totally gonna get this on my. Oh, it's already washed. So let's see. Ooh, these. Oh, look at these. Oh, you can tell these are old just by looking at them. I'm gonna put this on my watch list for real. I'm sure about it. Later on, I'm gonna be looking for vintage Lego minifigure parts. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Look at that! That's so much money. I'm totally not gonna get that one. And this one. Okay, no messing around. Let's just see if there's any good ones. Ooh. This one is very rare. See that up there, guys? So I'm gonna get this one for a fact. And I'm using my Nan's computer here. At home we don't really have one, but yeah, this is great. I could watch all this. I could find all these for days. This is an old one. I'm gonna for sure get this one. Let's watch it. I love it. I'm not sure you guys can see. This is a 1+ set. I love it. So we're gonna watch that. Bricks would be proud, wouldn't he? Ooh, I'm sure gonna get this one. Fast and free. Watch. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. Okay, just kidding, guys. No messing around. Let's just look for some vintage Lego sets. Ooh, what is that one? This is a nice one. I like this one. Let's watch it. I'm buying a lot of these. Probably this one too. Watch. And you can see it. My Nan's name is Kathleen. I don't know if you can see it up there. It's a little bit distorted. But anyhow, I put that on my watch list. Let's look for Lego. Ooh, I'm gonna put this one on here. Vintage Lego family. Where is that set? I love it. Oh yeah. You guys should totally see this. It's a bunch of minifigures. We're all in a family. I'm gonna watch this. Now let's look for Lego Snap. Lego Z-Nap. Yeah, you've probably never heard of that name before. Well, if you've heard of it, just a website. Just a Lego, not a website, I mean a Lego brand. Let's see if there's any good ones. Let's watch it because the delivery is free. Ooh, that one's a little bit too much. Just unwatch. See, I have to pay attention to see if it's expensive or not. This is a good one. It's gonna be fast and free. This one isn't too much. It'll be perfect. Lego vintage hearts. Oh, I mean Lego minifigure. I use the computer quite a lot. Ooh, I'm totally gonna get this. Lego Swiss Villa. This is an awesome set. I found it on the internet. We're gonna get this. Watch. Lego Samsonite. Ooh, American Bricks. Let's put that in. These aren't quite Legos, but I think it's the brand that made Legos. I'm not sure. I think so. Let's do MINIBRIX with an X. All one word. Enter. Yeah, let's watch it. There. Done. We were looking for some vintage Lego minifigures. Bye, bye.